Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing some spring cleaning in my closet. We're going to be doing a declutter. We're going to be throwing stuff away. We're going to be donating, and it has been a long time coming. Like, I'm the type of person that I'd be like, oh, this doesn't fit right now, I'm gonna lose some weight, and I'll be able to wear it when I lose some weight. And realistically, it has not happened. I am thickums, I am voluptuous, and I have to just love it, you know, accept it, and then whatever I just need to change, just change it, and then that's it. I've bought a couple of items from Amazon again. Amazon sponsor me, hello. That it's perfect for, like, my closet is small. I wish I had a bigger closet, but I do not. Somebody calling me. Who the it? Hello? It's your mommy. Sorry y'all, that was my mama. You know, I had to talk to her. If you're interested in watching my declutter spring organization video and the items I use to achieve that, stay tuned and keep on watching. Hey you guys, as you can see, my hair is different. This is going to be I'm not even gonna say an all day job. It's gonna take me a few days to do this. I still have a lot more to go. Let me show y'all what I've done. So all I really did was, oh, these are my beads from Mardi Gras. I got these I got these when, right before the pandemic started, literally like on my birthday in February, and then the whole world went to shit right after. This is what I've done so far. I took out my, some of my summer stuff that was up there. My jeans and my work clothes was up there. So I went on 2 trips back to back, and turn this around. Focus. So I went on, like I said, I went on 2 trips back to back. So whatever clothing that I didn't wear that was still clean, I just threw it up there. So what I'm gonna do next, or eventually, I'm gonna be fixing all my shoes that are here, and put them up there. Like, it feels like I didn't do anything, Lord. Let me add you to my little vlog. Say hi.
Hi.
My sunburn.
I got sunburned.
She just came from Puerto Rico. Lucky. Nate, you want a cameo too? I don't know.
Your hair's so cute.
Huh?
Your hair is really cute.
Thank you so much. Hey you guys, hair change again. You guys are gonna learn very quickly. I like to change my hair a lot, like every month for the most part, but I wanted to let my natural hair rock for a little bit. I'm getting ready to go on a dinner date with my best friend. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm getting ready right now. Hopefully we leave out of here by like 7:30, 8 o'clock-ish. Hopefully. I, as you can see, stopped cleaning my closet. It's a mess. But I'm gonna get back to that tomorrow. So yeah, so I will get back with you guys once I'm fully dressed, makeup on, and ready to head out. Got this necklace. Ooh, I'm big. I'm ready to go. I'm waiting on my best friend. Oh, I thought she just texted me, but she didn't. She almost ready. But yeah, like, it's like the baby here is for me. So yeah, we're going to a barbecue Korean restaurant. My friend, she is like so excited to take me there. She said the food is great or whatever. So I'm excited to go. I'm excited to see her. I haven't seen her in like, actually no, I'm lying. I saw her like a week ago when we go on nail dates. We go on nail dates. So I saw her like a week ago. But we haven't been out to eat in a while. We're gonna take a cab there. So she lives like literally like 2 buildings down from me. Me and her have been friends since we were like 7 or 8. It's been a very, 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 very long time. So she's practically my sister. So I'm gonna go meet up with her. We're gonna take a cab to this place. Once I find out the name of the place, I will be putting the name somewhere in this video. Let's get going. Hey guys. Say hi, Paula. Hi. That's my sister. Really? That's my sister, y'all. Her name is Paula. Paula is her name.
I put the new 4Gs on the G. I jump into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now niggas pay us a call cause I'm all in.
Isn't my friend so pretty? You cute, even under the mask. Yeah, we are on a, was it 15-minute wait?
Yeah, but it should be done soon. So yeah, we should be seated soon. It said like 15 to 25 minutes or over 50.
Get you a sister that takes you on exotic dates.
Period. Okay,
So-
Korean barbecue.
Okay, all right. Nah. I'm so excited. What we gonna have, soju?
Yes.
We gonna have something called soju. I don't know.
Kimchi.
And kimchi and all that. And what else? I don't know, but we gonna eat it all.
And pickled radish. Trust me, it's good.
¿Qué es eso?
It's good. Tú te lo vas a comer y ya.
You heard her. I'm gonna do what she wants. She's so bossy.
You are too.
No, I'm not. I love her. All right, bye, y'all.
Oh, I don't care. Look, these are things I want to order for us. We don't have to get it. No, but one thing we are going to get are the dumplings.
Okay.
I also want to try the Korean the kimchi pancake. And the japchae, like,
The what?
the japchae. This tastes so good.
Ciao. All right. You want to try the pancake?
No, but the kimchi one, not the seafood one.
I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me drip. Straight up out the yacht, just got my big grip. bitch, I had to serve crack. Uncle fronted me some keys, had to get him birds back. We came up on dirty money, I gave it a bird back. Cut off the rain and I gave my bitch a new coupe. Either you run a y'all gang or you soup. Got a new one, bitch, and man, that pussy.
This is called soju. Paula's trying to get me drunk. Who you texting?
No, I'm supposed to be on Instagram.
Like, who's texting us? What you trying to do? Food was so good. 10/10 recommend. Do you recommend?
Oh, I do. 10 out of 10. So we recommend if you're in New York City, bring your ass. Bring your ass.
Period. Bye, guys. Hey, you guys. So I just realized I never got to show you guys my, you know, the after on my closet. As you can see, I did a good amount of declutter from like the beginning of the video. Putting this way after the fact. My nails are different. It's not focusing, but my nails are different. I put my heels up there because I don't normally wear heels every day. And I put my winter boots up there. All my sneakers I put down here. Down here I put my flats and my sandals that I normally wear for work, and it's summertime, so and then in there you can't really see it, but over there is my like equipment, my camera equipment. So basically what I did was I have a lot of jeans, so I realized I couldn't really use these hangers. I need more hangers like this, basically. Let me take one out so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So this is the hanger that I got from Amazon. It fits about 5 jeans or 5 pairs of pants. I also got these things right here. They're basically, they fit like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they fit up to 6 hangers. I put some of my work clothes on there too because I didn't have enough of these hangers here. But I tried my best to put my shirts kind of like color coordinated, sort of. So I have my yellow, have orange, I have some greens here, and I have, you could barely see anything, but I have, you know, my greens here, I have blue, and etc. So I have my browns, all my browns here, and it just keeps going. Then at the ends is white, black and white, white and black, and then plain black all the way back there. I realized that I kind of like, I threw away a lot of stuff. I didn't get to show that part. I threw away a lot of stuff that had like holes and things like that. And I also threw away, I gave away a lot of summer stuff. My mom took it already, and whatever else like my mom didn't want, I giving them away to my job. We have like a donating section there. So, you know, if any clients of mine come in who need assistance and they need anything extra, they can just grab a pair of shoes, or they can grab like a shirt, or whatever the case is. So on this side I have my dresses and things like that. I have my blazers here, my sweaters, and then in the very, very back I have my thick sweaters. I want to buy something that I'm like able to compress everything more together, so I can, like, you know, those cubes where you pack your stuff in and then you like take out the air. I want to buy something like that for my winter clothes because I don't have space. And my winter clothes, I have a lot of more winter clothes than summer. So I need to find a place for them. So maybe I'll show you guys that. I'll probably get it from Amazon. But yeah, I am ordering a whole bunch of things from different websites, and maybe I'll do a haul. So once my clothes start to come in, I'll start to move things out. So all the items that I use, I will be linking them down below. And that's basically the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next weekend vlog where I'm going out with my other friends to this cute pop-up restaurant. I won't show you my face because I look wild, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and love you guys. Bye.